Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today in this video we're going to be doing an analysis on NIO and the stock, also ticker symbol NIO. So what NIO is like basically the Tesla of China. Right now they're only selling in China, but if they ever move to the USA, I'm pretty sure I'd buy these cars. I mean, just look at just one of their cars. This is the EP9, the NIO EP9. Tell me this doesn't look like a car from GTA 5. This is one of the fastest electric cars in the world. Completely electric, economically friendly, and especially environmentally friendly, which is where we are moving in the world. So let's just do a basic overview on their website, their services they have to offer, and their cars, which is the main part of what they're offering as a company. So next, they're the NIO Eve, completely electric, very ergonomic, very futuristic. I mean, just look at it. The roof is completely see-through. I mean, you can go right under the stars and you'll have a great night's sleep. I mean, this looks like if you were to go back maybe 50 years and you would ask your kids, what do you see in the future? Like, what do you see the future being? You would see them saying like cars like these, like completely see-through, completely electric. Like this car doesn't even have a door handle. Like this company is going to shape the future and what we see in the car industry. Next, they even make Formula E racing cars. Like these cars compete in the Formula. They compete with Italy, the United States, and they actually, if you guys look into their previous season, they're not that bad. Their cars actually really compete, and most of all, they're fully electric. And this one's, I believe, is a hybrid, the one that you're looking at here. But yeah, guys, definitely look into this. Like they're starting to become like a contender in Formula racing, and they're a car company. This is just crazy. But anyways, they mainly sell SUVs, fully electric, but like these top three are all SUVs. They have an extremely long range, which is what I really like about electric cars. You can go this in miles, I'd guess. I'm not really going to take that estimate because I know you guys are going to make fun of me, but the new electric cars can go about 600 kilometers, which, if you guys didn't know, is a pretty long distance. Like you can hop states with this range without even stopping a single time. There's the next SUV, but yeah, their top three is all SUVs, all the smart, all electric, and they come with three main services that all NIO users can basically use. But their first one is the NIO House, which is in China. There's these 7 buildings. There's a lab, there's a library, there's a cafe, there's a joy camp, there's a gallery, there's a living room, and there's forums. So basically, people come here, people talk with other NIO users. Sometimes the company will come out and show their new cars, like at the gallery walk here. And it's basically just setting the environment and kind of connecting users with the actual owners of the company and making them feel welcome and overall having a good time. So next on the list of their services is the NIO Power. So what this is basically for every 3 kilometers in China, they really got this set out. But there's either power stations, which is like, the Tesla ones where you just connect it with a charger, you leave it for maybe 30 minutes to an hour, and you come back and your battery is almost full. You can drive for a very long time after that, as you guys saw, 610 kilometer range. And you find these all around China, and it basically makes it really easy for you. Another service they have is the battery swap. So you just take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it may take. You just swap out your battery, and basically you just got another 600 kilometers right there. And then it makes it very easy compared to gas, where you have to pay over and over and over. I know you guys know, if you drive cars out there that are not electric, you got to pay a lot of money per year on gas, especially depending on how much you drive. But if you're driving like 20, 30 miles to work every day, like you are spending a lot of money and a lot of time gassing up your car and overall buying the gasoline, which is going up these days. Right now it's really low due to Corona, but before, I know it was skyrocketing in price. I did not want to buy any of that. But next, NIO service. So basically, anytime your car is having trouble, let's say you get into a minor accident or your tire pops like on a rock or some glass. These guys are, I don't know what they do, but they're awake 24/7. You just give them a call. They're basically like the China version of AAA, specifically for NIO users. They'll pull to your exact location. They'll help you get that problem sorted out, and you're basically on your way. If you need any more help, they can take in your car. You got regular free maintenance. They do inspections on your car. They check your mileage. They try to help you as a user have the best experience as possible. So that's enough about the website and what their actual services are. Let's look at their stock, which is what us investors really look at. So if you guys look at the 1 month chart, it's gone up 81%. That is absolutely crazy, especially just for 1 month. Now, I bought it when it was at $6 because looking at their website, looking at what they have to offer, it's not that hard to see that they are going to absolutely blow up. Just look at the 5-year chart. This is literally crazy, guys. It almost reminds you of like another Nikola, except this is more into the consumer car region rather than logistics and trucks and the sport region. And also this company has actual sales, which of course Nikola lacks to have. But it's seen these highs like this before. So what makes, from an investor standpoint, what makes us think that this company has anything to prove on this upturn? So what I've been seeing is it's been beating its sales recently, especially today, which is actually when it gave out its earnings report, and it beat it. Right now it's in the negatives, but it's been slowly increasing over time. And I think that if they keep this going, and especially if they make their way into America, they will see huge sales jumps and they will absolutely exceed as a company. Of course, I'm not a financial agent. This is just my opinion. And of course, please do not follow anything I say in this video. And if you guys have any news or any stocks that you want to point out, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys think I deserved it, if you like what I shared today, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much and have a great week.